Video game development can be hard. Many problems tend to pop up, like raising funds, lack of resources, and finding the right people to work with. Meet Andy. Andy is a video game developer with an amazing idea, but no funding. He wants to develop a game with a medieval setting and its own in-game economy. Andy heard about GameStarter's decentralized crowdfunding platform and would like to attract investments from the crypto community. He posts his project on GameStarter in order to raise funds in the form of Game Protocol tokens, the native token of the Game Protocol ecosystem. In the post, he offers in-game currency and better items and weapons to backers in exchange for their support. Later, his project surpassed its goal, and now Andy has enough funding to develop his project. Andy uses the free Unity SDK and blockchain-based tools provided to him by Game Protocol to create his game. By networking through Game Protocol's co-working community, Andy is able to contract an independent 3D animator, SFX expert, and a programmer. The team and Andy set up a smart contract with Game Protocol tokens that guarantees that the team will be paid after the work is done. Now Andy's game looks amazing and is published on the Game Store. So many people can purchase and play his game in exchange for Game Protocol tokens. Andy's game becomes wildly successful, and now he plans on making a sequel. Join the likes of many developers like Andy. Take part in the Game Protocol revolution and build, collaborate, and play.